If you're trying to locate the battery in an Audi A5 2011, it is in the boot of the car. First of all, you want to lift up this. You can actually use this to hold it up for you. You've got the spare wheel first. You want to release the spare wheel by unscrewing this. That will come off completely, and then you want to pull out the spare wheel.
Daddy didn't do it so heavy.
That's the spare wheel. And then underneath the spare wheel is where you'll find your battery. This cover just comes off. And there is the battery for your vehicle. You've also got lots of tools, changing wheels and everything hidden down here as well. You've even got a jack to jack up the wheel. So yeah, nice little hidden storage space as well there.